How do transactions work on the distributed ledger? So, in this distributed ledger, the Bitcoin coins themselves are the units being counted and recorded in the transactions. Purchasing Bitcoin or selling a product or service in exchange for Bitcoin provides access to the ledger. So on our imaginary Excel sheets, we won't be tracking the movement of dollars from party to party, but rather the movement of Bitcoins. Once you have Bitcoin, you can transact with anyone else over the network, with your transactions becoming part of the distributed ledger. Using a distributed ledger like this is exciting because it's an entirely new form of payment system. It allows anyone in the world who is connected to transact with anyone else who is connected for any value, simply by transferring ownership of the corresponding Bitcoin and having it be recognized and recorded on the ledger. Let's picture Alice, who lives in California. She wants to send her friend Bob some money, but he lives in Australia. If both Alice and Bob are connected to the Bitcoin network, all Alice has to do is transfer ownership of the corresponding amount of Bitcoins over to Bob to complete the transaction. She does this by inputting a value and authorizing the transfer. Bob then receives the transfer with no effort on his end, much as if Alice were sending Bob an email.